Hey friends, if you wish to rename the PC in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Okay. Then go to the system tab. On the right side, scroll down and select about. Okay. And then you will get an option here which says advanced systems, sorry, rename this PC. So you click on this rename this PC and you can rename it to something else. Like I can name it to current PC, and then I click on next, and this is how it will easily change the name, but I will have to restart it. So once I restart it, the name will be changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.